Have you ever dreamed of earning $100 from a single survey? It sounds too good to be true, right? Many believe high-paying surveys are scams, but the truth is, while rare, it's entirely possible to earn significant amounts from legitimate online survey platforms. This video will cut through the hype and reveal the proven strategies to find and complete those lucrative surveys. We'll uncover the secrets to separating the genuine opportunities from the pitfalls, guiding you towards building a sustainable income stream from the comfort of your home. Let's address the elephant in the room. Many believe high-paying surveys are a myth. While earning $100 per survey isn't the norm, it's not impossible. The key is understanding the reality. Many scams promise unrealistic rewards. Therefore, choosing reputable survey platforms is crucial. Look for established sites with positive user reviews and a proven history of paying out. Focus on quality over quantity. Don't fall for get-rich-quick schemes. Building a reliable income stream takes time and careful selection of opportunities. By focusing on legitimate platforms and realistic expectations, you can significantly improve your chances of earning substantial income. Now, let's identify trustworthy survey platforms. While I can't endorse specific sites directly, I can guide you on how to spot legitimate ones. Look for platforms with established reputations, often boasting years of operation and a large user base. Check independent review sites to see what others say about their payment history and customer service. A reliable platform will clearly outline its payment methods, fees, and payout timelines. Be wary of sites with vague information or overly enthusiastic promises. Thoroughly research any platform before signing up, paying close attention to user testimonials and independent verification of their legitimacy. Remember, due diligence is key to avoiding scams and ensuring you get paid fairly for your time. To maximize your earnings, strategic planning is essential. First, optimize your survey profile by accurately reflecting your demographics and interests. This ensures you qualify for more surveys. Next, prioritize high-paying surveys. While these may be less frequent, the increased reward makes them worthwhile. Don't waste time on low-paying, lengthy surveys unless they align perfectly with your interests. Efficient time management is crucial. Set aside dedicated time slots for survey participation and stick to your schedule. Don't get bogged down. If a survey is too complex or time-consuming, consider moving on to another. Consistency and smart selection are key to achieving significant income. In conclusion, while earning $100 per survey isn't guaranteed, it's a realistic goal with the right approach. Remember, patience and due diligence are paramount. Focus on reputable platforms, optimize your profile, and manage your time effectively. Don't expect overnight riches. Building a sustainable income stream takes time and effort. Avoid scams and prioritize quality over quantity. By applying the strategies discussed, you can unlock the potential of high-paying surveys and supplement your income responsibly. So, start your survey journey today, but always approach it with a critical and informed mindset. Your financial success depends on it.